starts from Medina for Umrah, is it necessary to make ghusul at Miqaat and make intention, or he can take ghusul at the hotel where wear ihram and make intention at Miqaat while passing from there? Yes, he can do that. He can do that. Okay? Or for example, I am in Kuwait and I will fly to Jeddah. So what can we do? I take the shower now here in Kuwait, the ghusl, and I wear my ihram, the dress of Umrah. Then I go to the airport, and in the plane I start the intention. When the pilot says, Wallahi, we reach the miqat after 10 minutes, I can say, Labbayka Umrah. Okay, so wearing the clothes of ihram, taking the shower can be before, but the main thing is the intention of Umrah or Hajj.